Okay, let's go ahead and check and see how you did. So 3x plus 6, you would have to recognize this is 3 times x, and this is 3 times 2. What did I say twice? The 3. That's what's going to get factored to the outside of parentheses. So I'm just going to click and drag this over and ask it, hey, what do these have in common? The 3. When you took the 3 off up to the outside by dividing, what was left was x plus 2. Hopefully you got that one right. Check your answer on your sheet you were following along with, right? About between 16 and 20. Got to know our times tables. 20 is 4 times 5. 16 is 4 times 4. I said 4 twice. They both would have a 4. So I can take a 4 to the outside of the parentheses, and 5x plus 4 be left. How about between these? Okay, 5 is 5 times 1. 10 is 5 times 2. So I know they both have a 5. A 5 would go to the outside. The 2 would stay on the inside. But they also have an x, and this is an important one. I'll show you why in a second. I could factor an x off of both these because they both have in common, they have an x. And that would come outside with the 5. So 5x on the outside, x plus 2 on the inside. This problem down here is the exact same problem. Let me undo what I just did. 5x squared plus 10x, 5x squared plus 10x plus 0. They're the same thing. This down here is standard form, right? We've seen standard form. Remember that from our last unit. But if I just add 0, they're the exact same thing. And when I factor this thing completely, I'm left with what we called intercept form. Now I have 5x is one of my factors, and x plus 2 is one of my factors. I could set those equal to 0, just like we did before, and find the x-intercept. So now we're going from standard form to intercept form. That was one of our main goals here for this unit, was being able to do that, and factoring does the job for us. Okay, moving on.